Hello everyone, this is Professor Tariq Al-Taib. In this video, we are going to show you how to install Visual Studio in your computer. So in the Visual Studio, we need any kind of integrated environment editor, so they can run and debug your C++. You can put the C++ in the editor, but you need some other software to compile and find your error. One of the good tool actually it's called Visual Studio. If you go to www.visualstudio and press enters, it's gonna take you to this one. So simply, if you are Mac using this link, you are Windows or Microsoft, use this one. So if you click here, you're gonna click in the community 2022. So in the community 2022, you're gonna install this file or download this file. You're gonna click in this file. You're gonna find this file in the download section. It is Visual Studio Installer. Press yes. So here, continue. You're gonna do some stuff. So we are just open the Visual Studio for C++ programming language. Then we selecting community one. Okay. So now, based on your internet speed, you're gonna take like maybe a couple of minutes. Now from this one, I'm gonna choose what I need from, for example, I can use the Visual Studio for multiple programming language. So in this course, we're gonna do C++ programming. So we have many things here. So what the best things we're gonna do? We're gonna use, don't use the Linux C++. We are going to use 1 second. Here we go. Desktop development with C++. So we're gonna select this one and click install. Right now it's gonna install. You can install other things if you're interested, but now for our course we need this part only. Okay. So just keep downloading. I'm gonna pause the video to finishing this part. Alright, now we has finished download and install. We have this message: Visual Studio has been successfully installed. So press OK, and we can launch here. So we can open the our Visual Studio, but let us close this one and close all those tabs. So if you go to your Windows here and just type Visual Studio, should you have it now? There you go. So Visual Studio, you can right click in it, or you can make a pin to start. Click pin to start. So if you click here, you should find it here. Here you go. So click this one. Now maybe next they're gonna ask you for a account. So create account, skip for now, what kind of mode you want, dark blue, light, Visual Studio. Let me do the dark one, start with the dark, most people like the dark. So now we have our Visual Studio for open, for first, will be open first time. Then now we're gonna ask us creating create a new project. So we're gonna create a new project. But since we don't have those, we're gonna do those later. But if we have a project, we can open it and create a new project. Okay. So create a new project. I'm gonna click in the empty project C++. I'm gonna click this one, and then after I click this one, I'm gonna press next. So what the project name? For example, I call my Hello World project. Right. So the most important thing is where I'm gonna put my files. So for my idea, if I go create a new folder here, new folder, and I'm gonna name it, for example, or C++ developing. Then I creating C++ series or CCP series. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one, this folder, which is in document, stuff like that, then select, right? So create takes like a 1 second or something like that. Now we have the first empty project. Now we need a creating so if I do right click here, right click, add new item, add a new item, I'm gonna say we have a C++ file. This one we're gonna use those letters, but now for this one I'm gonna C++ file, so I'm gonna call it main, for example, .cpp, you know, so they have a main file here, I'm call it. So now we have first file we created called main cpp. So to creating small project, for example, so in this project we need to do, for example, hash, remember hash, then include input output stream, this library we need to add it. Okay, then we can go using name space .std. Okay, this is kind of library. Then we have an int main, then we have this one, return 0. So this is the main structure for the C++ code. So we have this ones. Okay, so if you go in this one, you can do debug, right click here, so it start building the software, build this certain, you know, run this file, and you know, so once we have a return 0, everything's good, you know. So I'm closed. Now I'm gonna put something inside. So we have cout hello world, then I'm gonna do and L and line like this. So I'm gonna run one more time. So hello world, all right, and if you can see here, hello. Okay, all right, so that's it. Now you have done installing, and you do small hello world to make sure that your code running very correctly, no any problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you next video.